Capturing fireworks with your iPhone can be a magical experience, transforming fleeting moments of light and color into vivid memories you can revisit anytime. But photographing fireworks isn't as simple as pointing your phone skyward and tapping the shutter. With a few thoughtful adjustments and some creative preparation, you can turn your iPhone into a powerful tool for photographing these breathtaking displays. Here's how you can make the most of your night under the stars, capturing fireworks in all their glory. Before you even head out, make sure your iPhone is fully charged and has enough storage space for plenty of photos and videos. Clean your camera lens carefully. A simple wipe with a microfiber cloth can make a noticeable difference in image clarity, especially in low light conditions. When you arrive at your viewing spot, consider your surroundings. Find a position with an unobstructed view of the sky, but also look for interesting foreground elements, like a city skyline, a body of water, or even silhouettes of people. These can add depth and context to your shots, making them more than just bursts of color against black. Steady hands are essential for sharp photos, especially in low light. If you have a small tripod or even a stable surface to rest your phone on, use it. If not, try bracing your arms against your body or a solid object. Even subtle movements can result in blurry images, so stability is key. Now, open your iPhone's camera app and switch to photo mode. Tap and hold anywhere on the screen to lock focus and exposure. This is known as AEE-AF lock. Fireworks are bright against a dark sky, so after locking, gently slide your finger down to reduce the exposure. This helps prevent the fireworks from appearing washed out and preserves the rich colors and details in each burst. For even more control, consider using the iPhone's night mode if available. Night mode automatically detects low-light scenes and extends the exposure time, allowing more light to reach the sensor. Keep as still as possible while night mode is active. You'll notice a timer indicating how long you need to hold still, usually just a few seconds. Burst mode is another useful feature. By pressing and sliding the shutter button to the left, you can capture a rapid series of photos. Fireworks are unpredictable, and burst mode increases your chances of catching the perfect explosion at its peak. Don't forget about live photos. This feature captures a brief clip of motion and sound along with your photo, giving you a dynamic snippet of the moment. Later, you can choose the best frame from the live photo, or even apply fun effects like long exposure, which turns a series of fireworks into dreamy light trails. Experiment with video, too. The iPhone's video capabilities are excellent, and recording a segment of the fireworks show lets you relive the atmosphere and excitement. Try shooting in slow motion for a dramatic, cinematic effect as each firework unfurls in the night sky. Once you've captured your images, take a few minutes to enhance them. The iPhone's built-in editing tools allow you to adjust exposure, contrast, and saturation, bringing out the vivid colors and crisp details. Don't be afraid to crop or straighten your photos for a more balanced composition. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with different settings and angles, the better your results will be. Be patient, enjoy the show, and let your creativity guide you. With a little preparation and the right techniques, your iPhone can capture fireworks in a way that truly dazzles, preserving the magic of the moment for years to come.